Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how we can trade Aussie USD ahead of the CPI data. We are going to look at this from a different time frame perspective. So let's go on the news event that is the main catalyst for this week. On Wednesday, tomorrow, we have the CPI data from the US, and the market is focused in this indicator tomorrow. Is very important. However, it will create also a very big volatility in the market, so we have to be also careful. During the previous time it was 4.7%, and it is expected that probably we may have an improvement on inflation data up to 4.3%, consumer price index, and food and energy, as you can see. On the monthly indicator for August, it is expected not to have any change from 0.2% to 0.2%. And we have also consumer price index monthly and yearly 3.2, and it is expected 3.6 for this indicator, and the next one is expected to be 0.6. So this is going to be the main market movers for tomorrow. If the price will meet the expectations, if we are going to have a slowdown up to 4.3% or below 4.7, and also on the previous data here, if they are going to come lower than expected, the chances are higher that we may see a weaker USD. Overall, this is a good indication if they are going to slow down, because all the central banks are working in order to decrease the inflation numbers. However, the market reacts against the currency, considering that it is taking in consideration that the central banks will not increase the interest rates anymore. So these are the chances that we may face. Probably they may come in line with the previous month. This is also an option. In this situation, we may see the market to be flat, or probably we may see small moves. On the other hand, I'm not expecting any increase on the inflation data, considering that also US is still releasing very good numbers. So let's get back to our technical analysis. For Australian dollar, US dollar, we may see that on the weekly chart we have several weeks that the price is in this area here that is moving up and down, and we have a lower low here that was created at 0.6357, but overall the price is not managing to create any solid breakout from these weeks here, so the price is already stopped here. We may see that on the weekly chart the price is still moving within these 2 points, as you can see, between these points here. And if we are going to move back on a daily time frame, it's very clear that the price is moving in a wide trading range. So from bottom to top, this trading range is about 165 pips, let's say. The price is moving in this area since when it was at this point, so since at the beginning of August. We are in this zone for about 1.5 months, so the price is still doing up and down. It looks very boring trade overall, considering that the price is not taking any clear direction, but probably with the data that we are going to have from the US tomorrow, the CPI data, probably we may see some market moves. So on a bigger time frame, we can see that the chances are very high that the price can stop when it will begin the movement. So if the price will begin the bullish movement from this point, the chances are very high that it may stop close to this area here, close to 0.66, as you can see. So let's break it down a bit more. So far we have a possible double bottom pattern that probably is close to the completion. This is a potential double bottom pattern. The chances are very high. And also yesterday we had a very strong bullish candle. So this is increasing the chances that as a minimum the price may test the top of the structure that we already have here. If we are going to check on a 4-hour time frame, the price looks very clear, already broke out from this structure area. It is coming down for this correction, and probably tomorrow during the CPI data, if this zone will hold, the price may increase further. However, considering that the price didn't manage to continue with the bearish movement, the chances are very high that even if the price will come close to the bottom, we may see a bullish movement again. However, everything is related with the news events that we are going to face here. So let's see, just one moment. On this time frame, it is not so clear, but on a 1-hour time frame, the price is creating this type of bullish flag here, and the chances are that if the price is going to confirm this bullish channel, it may increase as a minimum up to the top of the movement. So this is what I'm looking at as a beginning for Aussie USD. This movement is approximately 100 pips if this is going to move from the current price position, but exists also the possibility that we may see the price to come close to the bottom, and probably it will give us another buy opportunity. At this moment, I'm looking at for a possible bullish move on Aussie USD. I'm not looking at for any bearish opportunity at this moment. And if the price is going to confirm the bullish movement, I'm going to delete this now. We may see that we will have after that a big swing trading opportunity. So after that movement, the chances are that the price will face a very strong resistance on the previous area that I pointed out before, close to 0.66, and later close to this structure area that is also very, very strong. Look at the density of this zone again. So this is getting also very interesting here. We may also make it a bit lower or probably close to the top. So this is the reversal zone that we may have, and it can be used for a possible taking profit opportunity. So from the bottom, we may see that on the first zone, on the first target that we have, the price may face the first resistance close to 0.65. In this way, this is going to be 100 pips trade. For the second zone, we may see that the price will move up to 180, and the third zone that is also very critical, this is between 250 up to 300. So in this way, we are looking at for potential swing trading opportunity. It may take some time, but it is worth to have eyes on this trade. So this is overall what I'm looking at for Aussie USD. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.